Oh my gosh, we're live finally. All that whatever was just going on there. We're back. We're in it. We're live. Live on YouTube. What's popping off? It's Tuesday morning. Turbo Tuesdays, baby. Let's go. Market boosting higher this morning. You can see right now the Qs at the 290 level, trying to push up that 291 with the gap up. The gap higher here. Let's see what's going to happen. If we can push above that 291 level, we had this push so far here. The high on that candle right there, 291.34. Looking to see if that momentum can continue here. It's 3:30 here in the morning in Hawaii. Getting started. Let's go. Looking for some opportunities this morning. We're going to fill this gap to the downside. That's the million-dollar question now. Watching the SPY. Watching the NASDAQ here. Pulling back to the 940s now. 11,940 on the NASDAQ right now, pulling back. Can the Qs push back up here and get going again over that 290.50 level on the QQQ? Big push back up here. Looking good so far for the push back. Pushing back hard right now. I'm long currently. Looking for a push above the 980s. Up to the 70s now. Put an order out there at 69. See if I get filled. Did not get filled. We'll wait a little bit longer. I think we can push higher off of this reversal here. Push up to the 80s. 980s. Looking for a push up here. 71s now. 73s. Put an order out there. Getting filled. 72. We got one more contract. Looking for a push above the 980s here. The SPY pushing up 385. I think we're going 12,000 here. Let's see. 980. 77s now. 77s getting pushed. We'll see if we get a break over 980 here. Up to 999. 99, 90. Up to the 85s, 86s, 90s now. We should go all the way to 12. Let's see. A little bit more push, push, push. And taking profit right there at the 93s. Beautiful move. Lock it in profit this morning. We're up $136. And the market has just opened. Only trading 3 contracts, baby. Let's go, boys. Woohoo! That's what I like to see. Making money in the morning, baby. Wake it up. I can just go back to bed now. I could literally just... I made $136 in a matter of 5 minutes. Why even, you know? Why not just go to bed now? Back to bed. Going back to bed. See y'all later. Just kidding. I'll stay live a little bit longer. But still. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Waking up, making that money. Good possibility for a push up here still. We got yesterday's resistance at this level on the Qs, that 292 level. We can watch here. If we break over this level here, I mean, we're breaking over right now, but if we break through this level clean and then we pull back and get a retest of that level, well, then I think it could be a good opportunity for a long. So there's that push up above the 12,000s now. You can see from the 980s up there above 12,000. We jumped in here on this dip after this thing pulled back and then ripped right back up. You can see that. I mean, that's almost like a hammer, doji, I mean, whatever you want to call that candle, just squeezing right back up there. It opens. This is a 1-minute chart. So the market opens, pushes up there to 980, pulls back to kind of this level here, and then we're in for that push up. And right now the market is still just boosting right now. So Looking good right now. We need to wait for a pullback here. Wait for a pullback here on the Qs. Pullback maybe this 291.50 level. Had a lot of volume yesterday down there at the 290s. And pretty much like clear sailing up in this level. So from 291 up to 295 today. Very possible. Got the gap in the chart. Yesterday opening there at the 292, 293 levels. So let's look for a little pullback here. And then we'll look to enter a long. Let's give it some time. I'm getting a little overextended right now. You can see the down here at the bottom right now, the RSI pinging up there at what, almost like 70, 72, 73. No FOMO, baby. Let's go. I ain't got no FOMO. We ain't got no FOMO. We don't want no FOMO. No FOMO, please. Market still pushing up here. I can see a little bit of a pullback, kind of form a bull flag. Form a bull flag here. We'll be primed and ready for another push higher. Ugh. All right. Looking for this pullback here. I'd like to see a little bit more. Get down to the 291.50 level here. That was yesterday's kind of area of resistance. We turned that into support now. It'll be bullish, obviously. Be bullish, baby. There we go, down there to 291.50 now. I'd like to see a little lower. Give me another reversal off that level. Pretty nice. Watching the SPY here as well. The SPY kind of pulling back. We hold this level here, 291.50. We should be able to get a push up 292.50 on the Qs, taking the NASDAQ up 12,040 area. Let's see if we can get it. Still pulling back here, consolidating. We want that bull flag to get formed here. And look for that next leg higher. Just going to be a little patient. A little patient. All right, so looking here to start getting in long off this level. Let's just wait to see candle close. Show me strength at this level. Got a minute 30 on this 3-minute chart. Watching this 12,000 level. Nice little pullback here. Now we like to start seeing it. Got to push back up here off of this level now. 291 pull back there. Still haven't really got that bounce we're looking for. This is a little worrisome, but let's see what happens. Get this pushback up here. Get some green candles in the action. Give me some green candles in the action, baby. Can we reverse here? Oh, no. Just sell, sell, sell right now. Uh-oh, we might look to fill that gap here. No reversal. Just sell, sell, sell. Just dropping like a rock right now. Let's see what happens at this 940 level. We're going to get a pushback up from that open area. Or we want to fill the gap. Starting to try to push back up here now. Let's see where this candle closes at. Need to get back above this 291 level for the bulls to get back in control here. So having trouble there, pushing back up right now. It's the Qs. We're looking at the QQQ right now, guys. NASDAQ. All right, need to get a push back up here above that 291 level. Show some strength. Right now, looking weak. But will we bounce off this level again, that 289? Or are we going to fill that gap? Looks like we're going to fill that gap here. Oh. We're filling the gap, I think. Down to the 11,900 now on the NASDAQ. Filling the gap on this on the Qs right now. Wowzers. The gap fill, baby. You gotta love it. Let's see what happens down here at this level. I'm in a pretty strong downtrend right now. Like I said, the RSI this morning was just peaking. Interesting is literally the peak this morning was right there at 74 when the RSI. So the RSI at 74, market pulled back pretty hard there. So So right now I'm trying to figure out, do we go lower here? And break below that 11,900 level on the NASDAQ here. Down to the 289s on the Qs. Right now short on the NASDAQ, looking for a break below the 11,900. Might be a little greedy, but let's see if we're going to get it. Make this next leg down here. 11,006, 05, 08, 04, 05, 05, 05s. I'm going to take it right there. Getting filled to the 06s. Don't want this to bounce back up. You can see it's kind of bounced at that level before, so. For me right now, there's no point in even looking for a long until we break out of this downward trend. So we basically need to break out. I'd say get back above 290.50 before getting long. You can see here on the Qs right now, I just need to break out of this downward trend, get back above 290.50 area, and then we start looking for some longs. Still got a little bit more to go on that gap fill. Can go maybe 289 flat. We'll see what happens here. 11,900. Can it hold on the NASDAQ? 11,900, that key level. This is kind of where we popped off this morning at 9 a.m. When I say my target, I'm just looking for like an area that I think is very possible for a move, like a realistic pushback up or a move down based on levels, Tim. I wouldn't really say it has anything to do with my P&L. More so just like thinking that where we might bounce at, where we might get stopped at resistance-wise. All right, so looking to see if we can get a push back up at this level. Get a push back up to that 290.50 level. Oh, breaking down again here. See? That's why we're waiting for that action. Got to get back above this level here. See if this is a bear trap. They squeeze this back up. Got a minute 30 left on this candle. Trying to push it back up now. Get that pop back above 290. Let's see. SPY trying to find some bottom here as well at the 384.50 level. If market breaks down from here, it'd be bad, I think. We don't want the market to break down, but it's looking like it might. Needs to hold this level for the SPY to hold at 384, 385 level on the SPY. Get the Qs to hold. Still going lower. So filling that gap pretty much on the dot now. 289 getting filled there. Watching that 289.50 level. If we push back above that, look for a long opportunity. 289.50 on the Qs. Let's see if it's going to bounce now. Get back up to 290s. Not bouncing there. Not wanting to bounce yet. Just got to sit back, be patient, wait for the right opportunity, boys. Wowzers. Breaking lower here hard. Right through the VWAP on the NASDAQ. Still going lower. Whew. She's selling. Selling hard right now. Look at this thing. Through that 11,900 level down to the 860s now. The SPY, big old red candle. Sell, sell, sell. Market going from green to red this morning. Still selling. Oh, gosh. Down to the 830s now on the NASDAQ. Wow. Where is the next support at? We got some support coming up here, but man, we are sell, sell, sell right now on the NASDAQ. Phew. We sold right through that level from yesterday, so 287 coming up there. I'd say we're due for a little bounce back up here after that massive sell-off. Might just be a quick little jab back up here. So getting that next leg down here. Still sell, sell, sell. This thing has been selling since 9:30, 9:40, 9:39. Sorry, 9:39. Market just fell off a cliff. Someone just drove this thing right off the cliff, they said. Still selling here. The SPY down to 382.50 now. Kind of in a weird spot. Like, definitely wouldn't want to short down here. That's for sure. Definitely did not want to short down here. Should get a pop back up here. Kind of get back up. Let's see if we can get pushed back up to the VWAP. I don't know why the VWAP's not showing. Where's my VWAP at? Starting to find a little bit of support down here. See if we can't get a little pushback up. That's a lot of selling coming through there for quite some time here. Get a pushback up to the 288s. We'll push back up 288s here. Getting denied once again there, man. Let's see what happens here. So we're going to break through that 287 level here. $287 getting touched once again. Finding some support down here right now, consolidating. We'll see if this is going to be a bear flag or if we get a pushback up. Why is my VWAP not showing up there? Huh. For some reason, my VWAP doesn't want to show up there. There it goes. Why is it not on the 3-minute chart? It's on the 1-minute chart. Huh. So weird how on the 3-minute chart my VWAP doesn't show up. On the 1-minute it does. On the 5-minute it does. What is going on? Trying to hold that 287 here on the Qs right now. Can she hold there? Or do we continue to sell, sell, sell? I can see a break below 287 if you're short. So right now, holding that 287 level here. I can see a little bit of a pushback up. Just need to get a little pushback up. Even wanting to get short, you're like, we're a little oversold right now, people. There's that little pushback up we were talking about. Currently long on the M&Q here, taking some profit there from the 800 level up to the 850s now, 42s. See if we can push up a little. Trying to push up here. Getting denied pretty hard there at the 850 levels, so that was right where that VWAP deviation line is. If we break below this 830 level in the NASDAQ, I think we can break below 11,800 pretty quickly. We break 287.50 here and get back down to 287. Let's go. If you're looking to get short, let's see if it'll happen. Little pushback up here, 288s, like I said. We just need to break through this 270, 287, 287.50 level, and then we get short. Watching it, testing that 287.50 again. Still holding it. All right, so let's see. We get a close below this level here. SPY starting to sell off here as well. SPY at the 383s. I'd like to see a move down below 287 here. Currently short right now. Oh, a little squeeze back up there. Not wanting to sell, so making that lower high there. Battle right now. The Bears, the Bulls holding this level. They know they need to hold it. They might want to try to pop this back up to the VWAP here. Let's see. Over the 850s on the NASDAQ could get going again. The buyers are being stubborn down here at this level. Not letting it sell through there. See if they squeeze it back up here. Looking for a push over those 288s. Let's see if we get it. It'll be the 850s on the NASDAQ. There's that push up there. Beautiful. Rock and roll, baby. 288.50 would be my target here. Currently long, looking for a push up here. Like I said, 288.50. Get that push over 288 here. Still long. Looking for a push up, 288.50. You got the 40s, 288.40s. Oh, we got right there, man. Right to that level. Wanted a little bit more here. But locked in the profit either way. Let's go. We had a high on that candle, 288.41. Let's see where this candle closes at here. Start thinking about getting another short opportunity. Like I see that 287.50 area break here. Get this big leg down here. Break below the 287s would be beautiful. And break through this level right here. We're going lower. 287's breaking. Let's go. Let's do it. 287.50. Need to break it. This will be our move. I think get below that 11,800 level on the NASDAQ here. If we can get this momentum to continue lower here. They're defending that 287.50 level. Definitely defending it here. We're going to get that break. It's going to happen. She's going to go. Right now, it's not wanting to break down there, so watching this VWAP area, 289.50. See where this candle closes at, this 3-minute candle. If we can close below that 287.50, I think we can really start to sell here. The SPY looking like it's ready to dump as well. 383 on the SPY here. Still holding there. We'll squeeze back up here. Get above that 288.50 level. Just kind of waiting, watching here. I think it's going to push up here. Got the VWAP up at the 289.50s. It's in this choppy section right here. It's in this chop section here. Market not sure which way it wants to go. You can see just kind of ding, 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 chopping around at this level. So just sitting back here, being patient. I think it wants to go down and break through this level here. Watching this, that 287.50 level. SPY looking weak. SPY is kind of breaking out of that bear flag right now, so the SPY could take this lower, get down to the 11,800 level. Looking very possible here for the SPY. Let's see what happens. What's really interesting, I want to point this out, is the RSI this morning. Can you guys see this? Look at that RSI this morning. Just peaking up there at the 72, 73 area. And, yeah, that was pretty much, should have hammered that thing and insanely short there. Should have just loaded the boat up short this morning when that RSI was pinging up there at the 70s. You can see even like yesterday, RSI was up at like the 70 area, sold off afterwards. And what's interesting is yesterday, the RSI was like down at the down pretty much at like what, 12 or 11 on the RSI down there. Yeah, like 15. And that kind of held that bottom there. So Little pushback up. I'm definitely not a huge fan of RSI, but I definitely think it gives you a good idea, like when we're hitting extremes to the down, to the upside, if that makes sense. Right now, squeezing back up here. I'm still, like I said, that VWAP, man. That VWAP there at the 289.50 area, very doable. 288.50 getting hit there. There's the hit on 288.50. Right now, as long as this market kind of holds that support there. See if I push up to 289.50. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Blow up that like button, boys. We got 38 likes, 100 people watching. Right now, pushing back up there, 289s. Beautiful move here. As the NASDAQ tries to push up 11,900. Holding that low. Like I said, that 287.50 area was a key area, and you can see we held that. Got the close above it, so no point in getting short until that level broke. And now the SPY just kind of chopping back up there as well. The SPY broke out of the bear flag and then chopped back to the upside. Ugh. Oh, she's boosting. There it is, touching the VWAP now. Beautiful move. Now let's see what happens off this level here. We get back above that 289.50 where the VWAP's at. I would say now we start to pull back here, but definitely don't want to go shorting into a bunch of bullish momentum here. Especially with the SPY just going straight up right now. The reversal's back, baby. So right now, getting stuck there at the VWAP, this will be kind of interesting to see what happens. Do we get stuck at the VWAP and then kind of sell back off here? Let's see. 289.50 VWAP area here. All right, so right now getting stuck there at the VWAP. This is looking good for the shorts. I think it's a pretty good risk to reward here. Let's see if we get a retest of that level and get denied once again. So it's looking like it wants to turn down here. Let's see. I think it's looking very doable for a turn down now. SPY getting stuck there at the VWAP. 384 on the SPY. The NASDAQ. The Qs here at 289 getting stuck. I think it's a short. It's a short, boys. Beautiful touch of that VWAP for a short opportunity. Didn't get a pullback to 850s here. 850s. Oh, baby. $11,850 here. Target would be my target on this pullback. Little bounce, taking a little bit of profit there. Don't want to get stuck into this, some stupid bounce back up. But I think we can still get below this 860 level here. There we go. 58s now, 57s. 54s. Oh, I think come on, give me 50 flat. Give me 50 flat here, boys. All right, I'm going to take profit right there. You can see from the 900s down there to the 850s now. Had a low on that candle, 854. Ended up locking it in there. Still might get it. Still might get that 50 touch. So right now, holding that level there, kind of could be putting in a higher low here. Putting in a higher low. Let's see if it holds this 850 level here on the NASDAQ. $55s, $54s again, $52s. $52s. And there she goes, down there to the 50s all the way. Damn it. I gotta be a little bit more patient sometimes. Just a little bit more patient. Just a little bit more patient. All right, we got 50 likes right now. We got 50 likes. I think we can hit 100 likes today. Come on, we got 100 people watching. 100 people watching should be 100 likes, right? 100 likes, 100 people. It adds up perfectly. There's that bounce off of the 850s now. So the low on that candle was 848. Ding, 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 ding. This could start to push back up here. If it holds this overall trend right now, hold that 850 level, try to push back up above the 11,900. It's got to hold this trend right now, though. 287.50 would definitely be the line in the sand. Looking weak. The SPY looking weak. The NASDAQ looking weak here. Lots of declining stocks. Oh. That's why we can't get the likes, because they can't see them. I don't know why it does that. I don't turn the, like, I obviously want people to see the likes. I don't know why YouTube has to make me turn it on and off every day. All right, we got 68 likes, 110 people watching. Blow up that like button. Let's go, boys. So right now, this 850 level, trying to hold here. Thanks, Oscar, for putting the like. MVP, baby. Yeah. Sammy Jonas looking for 100 points from the 850 level. May God be with you. I pray for you, my brother. I pray for you to the stock gods. Looks like it's going to crash down. As soon as I prayed, it starts crashing down. Oh, no. Oh, no. You're still holding. You're still holding. You're good. You're good. We keep praying for you. We keep praying. We're going to pray some more. Please, little baby Jesus, make this market go back up to the 950 level, please. Please, little baby Jesus. So that way Sammy can make lots of money today. All right, all right. Come on, Sammy. We're praying for you, buddy. We got 104 people watching, 73 likes. Come on, guys. Come, let's just do it. Just move your mouses. I know y'all are trading like crazy rabid animals, but it would help me help you if you hit the old like button. So right now at the 850s here on the NASDAQ, watching this level here, kind of just sitting on my hands, waiting and watching. We got this overall trend going on right now. I like to see a break down below this 287.50 level. We pushed up to the VWAP, perfectly to the VWAP. Look at that. We're right up there to the VWAP and got denied. Looking like we're going to break 287.50 here. Look at that. Wow. I think your problem, Sammy, was that you literally said, I'm going to go long out of spite. You might have jinxed yourself, or it might work out. Let's see. It might work out. Push it back up now. Oh gosh, it's holding. That 287.50 level once again holding there, so could be all right. Let's see. This next candle is going to be very telling. They start to push back up, get above that 288.50 level. I think you're good, Sammy. I think you're good. Let's see. The SPY pushing up 384s now, trying to push above the VWAP on the SPY. That was looking pretty good for the overall market. A lot of volume at that area, the 383 kind of 50 level. Whew. Right now, market trying to hold this trend. Got a huge pop in the tick just now from negative 500 up to 500. So a lot of stocks advancing through this move right here. So that should mean that we're gonna hold and try to push higher here. Let's see. I'm still kind of working on the whole tick TICK-Q chart. Trying to figure out what the real secret to it is. It's not as cut and dry as just like, oh, buy, sell. Jamie and asking, should he be short at the 11,900? If we get up there, it's looking once again, sellers coming in pretty rough there. Just got another drop down here. Let's show you guys this tick chart. You can see on the 1 minute chart, like on that last little pushback up there. Squeezing back up, basically showing that there's a lot of overall increasing stocks, gaining stocks through that move, but then stocks pulling back after pinging up there to the 500s. So it looks like, let's see what happens right now. We're going lower. Look at that, negative 500 right now. Little trap. They're getting tighter and tighter with the higher low there at the 850 area. Could be the nail in the coffin here. The nail in the coffin to finally break to the downside here. 287.50. If it can't hold 287.50, it's going to be a bloodbath. Market's down about 0.4%, 0.5% on the day right now. So not too bad. We were up like 0.7 or like 1% this morning. Hey, Plo Trades, let's go. Ending a trading day at 10 a.m. Nice work. Isn't that the dream right there, huh? 287.50 once again, still holding here, guys. So doing like a double bottom here on the 3 minute chart at that 287.50 level. Sellers trying to push it down. That last candle, a lot of selling pressure came in there, but I think as long as that 287.50 area can hold, Sammy, you're good for that long. I would definitely just keep a very close eye on that 287.50 on the NASDAQ. I mean, on the Qs. And then pretty much like that 830 level on the NASDAQ. Dave Trader with a friendly reminder. Don't diddle in the middle. Amen, brother. Amen. Oh man, the SPY right now is like, it's like two doji candles back to back. The indecision here on the 5 minute chart. 15 minute chart on the NASDAQ, not looking very hot right now. Check out the 15 minute chart here. 15 minute chart, what do you think about that one? Oh, not very pretty. Choppy McChopperson here. Uh-oh. 287.50 about to get tested once again. Not looking hot right now. I'm staying away from it either way. I don't think there's a good risk to reward here just yet. If we break below 287.50, maybe I get short. But I just be worried about all that support down there right now. Still holding right now. Going sideways. Going sideways. We had some pretty good action this morning at open and then the sell-off after open. I still kind of a little butthurt that I didn't capitalize off that when everything was like right there in my face telling me, get short, get short, get short. Looking weak right here. Is it going to sell through that 287.50 level? Oh, the $1 million question right now, my friends. The SPY's trying to dump. I agree with you, but it's still kind of going sideways right now. It's anybody's ball game. I wouldn't want to be a long. I wouldn't want to be a short right now either way. I would not want to be a long or a short. Yeah. CPI numbers tomorrow. Rocking and rolling, baby. Well, I think CPI numbers come out at what, 8:30? Do I want to wake up at 2:30 in the morning tomorrow? I don't know. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, the CPI numbers come out at 8:30 tomorrow morning, so be big news tomorrow morning. Lots of action tomorrow, I would say. Later on today, we've got a couple things going on as well. We've got FOMC talking, and what else? Is that pretty much everything today? I think there's some pretty. Also got some news on I think what, Thursday, Friday. Yeah. The Thursday numbers at 8:30 are going to be the job reports for job reports, and then on Friday you've got retail sales. So pretty much 8:30 every day for the rest of the week's going to have stuff coming out number wise. There's that market holding that 288.50 level, 287.50 level right now. Sammy's in the green. Let's go. Nice little push up here for Sammy Jones right now. Jonas. He's long off that 850 level. Starting to push back up to that 11,900. The SPY really getting going here. The SPY booming back above the VWAP there on the 5-minute chart. Let's see what happens when the Qs get back up to that VWAP area here. Nice work, Sammy. Taking a little bit of profit. Never a bad idea. Oscar with the call out. The market should go up for the next 3 hours. Well, hell. Just buy, baby. Let's go. Definitely think we might be done selling for now, at least. That 287.50 level holding multiple times today. So as long as we stay above that 287.50 level, market should be good. See what happens. They push back up to the VWAP area at the 289.20 kind of area right now on the Qs right now. Looking like it's going to pop. Looking like she wants to pop up here. All right, we got 83 likes, 109 people watching. Can we break 100 likes? I think we can do it. We can actually do it if everyone just hits that like button. That's simple, that easy, I know. Dreams can come true. Dreams can come true if we just let them come true. Market still pushing up here. The SPY trying to push above that 384 level strong. Oh, that's good. Bleeding on the stream. Just crashed myself. Whoa. This is live action, baby. We're bleeding on the street. We're bleeding for this money. We're bleeding for it. Let's go. All right, so I think I'm going to be done for the day here. Just kind of like we're right in the middle. We had a lot of good action here early in the morning. I'm trying to not trade for like more than 2 to 3 hours a day. Just I don't know. It's my new philosophy, my new rule. So I'll let it be. I think there's going to be more opportunities the rest of the week. We got a lot of stuff going on data-wise, number-wise. There should be lots of volatility in the market the next few days. So stay alive, stay awake, stay ready. So it's kind of like we're just in this area, right? We're just in this kind of up and down area where maybe we go higher, maybe we go lower, but still, you know, just not really giving us a good setup here. Only setup that I would think is maybe a good setup from here is, even though I wouldn't even like it because we've seen how that 287.50 level held, but kind of trying to get short up into the VWAP here, but then the SPY kind of, everything's kind of looking like it might want to pop here. So I'm actually going to stop the live stream and then work on another video for the YouTube channel actually. So I'm going to keep working, but I'm just going to stop trading for now, or at least wait for another opportunity. I think right now is just, we're in that key area. So, you know, who knows? Who knows exactly what to do here? If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Let's go. We got 93 likes. Can we break through the 100? Also, we got a free Discord. I put a link in the chat box. Free Discord. You guys want to come join us in the Discord, talk about stocks and all that fun stuff? Well, there's the link right there in the live chat box. Also, if you have any questions or any of that fun stuff, you can always hit me up on the channel. Talk to me in the Discord. I'll be in there sharing quick ideas, all the ideas. So there it is. Another day, another dollar. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Like I said, should be a lot of fun, a lot of action this week with the numbers, with the data coming out. So stay alive, stay vigilant, stay ready, my friends. Stay ready. Always be ready. Always be ready. Let's go. I will talk to you guys tomorrow morning. Or, well, I'll talk to you later on today. I'm putting up a video. But either way, we'll talk. We'll talk at some point.